You will need your river rock or your beach pebble, your Creative Paperclay, your rolling pin, some rubber stamps. I am using the word love, and you will also need a piece of lace to add texture. Begin by rolling out your Creative Paperclay. Now we are going to place the lace on top. There are two sides to the lace, one is smooth and one is raised. We're going to place the raised side down into the clay and then go over it with your rolling pin. Gently lift off the lace to reveal that fabulous texture. Now lift up your piece of clay and turn it over and place your stone in the center of the clay and carefully fold your clay around the stone. Take care not to damage the pattern, but if it does get a bit damaged, that's okay. I'll show you how to fix it when we are finished covering it. Use a craft knife, an X-Acto knife, a scalpel, whatever you have on hand, and just cut off any bits of clay that you will not be using and continue to press that clay down until the stone is fully covered. Now use your finger to gently blend any edges where the clay overlaps. Now the rock is fully covered, you're going to get your lace again and gently place it on to the clay and just rub so you can get back the texture in those areas where it was lost. Using your rubber stamps, gently press down in the clay and spell out your word. I am using the word love. Once you're finished adding your word, set your stone aside to dry. I am using an antique varnish to paint my stone, my paperweight. You can use whatever you like. If you don't have an antique varnish, you can use a plain varnish and just add a bit of maybe a brown paint or a mustard color paint. But what I'm doing is just giving this several coats. I'm gonna let it dry between each coat, and the texture, you'll see the texture in a bit. Once I've added a couple coats, it will really start to shine through. And there you have it. This is my final coat of the antique varnish. I'm going to set this aside to dry now. I will probably use a drying rack so the underneath can dry also. And thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.